Alright, you little shit. How are you mounted? What? Did you just go psst?
I didn't say a thing. I'm just laughing over here.
What? The way I look?
Alright, you little shit.
Oh, the little shit was just clipped on, you little fucker.
Did you get it? Yep.
Did you see it?
Oh, hell, that's completely different.
Where's your keys? Put them in. Are you serious? You're filming me?
Yep. Okay, they're in. What do you want me to do with them?
I'm gonna turn your blinker on. That's what you need.
Okay. You gonna get back out?
Yep. We're gonna attempt it.
Oh, can I turn this off now?
Yep. Take them out. I don't know how I'm supposed to get back out. Ugh. Oh my God. Really? Turn it off.
Come on, you can get out.
Oh my God, how the... Oh, I hate vans.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, whoa.
Off to AutoZone?
Yeah, that's not that. Guess we're taking my truck.